what IPL did to cricket is what OTT is going to do to cinema. Not every producer or a financer or a studio would take newcomers or TV actors for that matter and make big budget films. Now big budget films are probably rating the same or probably even less than some of the bigger more popular shows on web. So this is a place where we can prove our mettle. So it's a great place for actors.
Hi everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today I have with me Karan Kundra and Yogita, who are all set to be seen again in Dil Hi To Hai season 3. Welcome guys, welcome to Peeping Moon. How are you?
Thank you.
Hi,
Thank you.
We are great.
What a day. Nice.
Yeah. So firstly, tell me, a lot of TV shows had to be stopped due to the lockdown. And then even now, a lot of people are struggling to get those back. How did your team plan to, bring it back? Fans were so excited.
My gosh, I think our team was the most relentless team to get back on shoots. We had almost finished the shoot for the third season, and we only had Yogita, 8 or 9 days left.
9 days, yeah.
To sort of get the season out, and after the lockdown, when the shoots got over and when the shoot stalled, I think Dil Hi To Hai was the closest to be finished as a product and to be put back on the platform. So they were also very keen on starting with it. But I was traveling. I was not in the country at that time. So, and there were quarantine issues. When you travel from abroad, you had to take, you had to be in a hotel for 7 days and then you had to be at home for 7 days. So I think it was a major effort with, everybody was involved in somehow getting me back to India. it was quite, quite a lot of fun. But then, yeah, I think every care was taken, everything. And we guys as actors, the team, the creatives, the direction team, the production team, we were all very excited to come back and start shooting again, meet each other and carry on. So it was pretty definitely after the lockdown, we were very happy to be back on set and working.
So yeah, Yogita, you would like to add anything to that?
Sorry, I have I'm totally run out. What was the question?
No problem. The question was that, resuming it and getting the show back for the audience.
Okay, so we were supposed to start the shoot in July, I think. Of course, they were really keen to start the show because they would keep the production would keep messaging us that whenever the guidelines come and whenever they approve, whenever we get the approval from the government that we can start the shoot, we will start Dil Hi To Hai. Dil Hi To Hai is our priority because of course 20 episodes had gone and there was a lot of pressure from the fans. They would keep commenting, when are the episodes coming? So they were really keen to start the shoot, and we were of course like, theek hai yaar. I mean, of course, as soon as things get normal, we have to get back to work. So yeah, so it was great that we were then when he wasn't here, and then we had to wait another month. Guys, if you're listening to this, if there was a 1 month delay to our episodes, it's because of this guy.
This guy. मेरे बिना कर सकते थे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मेरे बिना करते थे ना.
अब 10 एपिसोड में नया हम ऋत्विक नहीं ला सकते ना. नेक्स्ट सीजन में देखेंगे शायद.
नेक्स्ट सीजन में पहले एक ऋत्विक से तो वो कर लो, झेल लो पहले एक ऋत्विक.
Okay. No, and what about Ritvik's and Palak's relationship? How is it going to go forward? I know you all can't reveal a lot, but जितना भी आप बता सकते हो.
पलक विक्रांत और ऋत्विक तीनों से कोई भी साथ नहीं होगा. मैं बता रही हूँ. कोई साथ नहीं होगा. तीनों में तुम सब बाहर में जाओ. मैं अपने रास्ते जा रही हूँ. पर विक्रांत और ऋत्विक पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होगा, तो दिल को दे होंगे. So that's how it's gonna end.
Nice.
I'm sorry.
I think the last 10 episodes is the culmination of the story, and the episodes were left on a hook where we don't know what's gonna happen, and so it's gonna be very exciting. It is gonna be a roller coaster ride, by the way, the next 10 episodes, because that's the season finale, the last batch, and there's lots of drama, there's lots of crying, there's lots of twists and turns, and a lot of emotions. It's very, very exciting. So yeah, thoda aise matlab, you need some extra energy to watch these 10 episodes, which we're pretty proud of.
Yeah.
Okay. And when fans are constantly messaging, in fact, when the poster came out that you all are coming back with the new episodes, fans were so excited. They started making artworks and graphics. So when you see such love, does it sort of like make you nervous, or do you become even more excited?
Excited.
Okay.
That somebody is like really interested in what you're doing and they really like it and they're so involved that they really
Yeah.
feel it. So I think it's amazing. It's very exciting.
I think it's quite overwhelming, with the fan art and all the love that they send. It proves that they're missing, what being a part of the show. So they're
Yeah.
trying to get art made and discuss the show and talk about it. It's quite overwhelming because the kind of love that we get for Dili To Hai is very special, and that's why we're on third season now. There's a lot of love that we get, not only from India, we get a lot of love from all across the
Yeah.
planet. It's very overwhelming, and we're very grateful for it.
Okay. And Yogita, you are at an sort of an early stage of your career. So where do what do you want to explore next, and where do you see yourself?
Um, I I don't know actually. Of course, you have. I want to do films. I want to do web shows. I want to do ads. So these are the three things that I want to do. I want to be part of really, really good, amazing web shows that are coming and films, of course. And I love doing advertisements. I love TVCs, and I've done a few after COVID also. So yeah, these are the things that I want to do, and let's see how things. Like I'm, I'm doing my best.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. And Karan, I saw Dolly Kitty and the film this morning, and your role,
Woohoo!
it came out to be completely unexpected, like a never seen before avatar. So you tell me something about the experience, and how are you feeling right now with the initial reviews being so good?
DJ Gujjar is the character I can finally talk about. Is I think the first interview in which I'm actually saying the name DJ
Whoa.
Gujjar.
By the way, I'm the
So,
first fan of DJ Gujjar.
so from the moment that I auditioned for the role, and I was supposed to do something crazy, and Alankrita, I had seen Lipstick Under My Burqa, and I was mesmerized by the film, and I was like, I really want to work with her, and there was 3 rounds of auditions for DJ Gujjar's character, and it was supposed to be a surprise. The character is a very loud character. He's a very lovable character. He's a very. I mean, if you've seen the film, so I remember when I was shooting for Dolly Kitty and I was being DJ Gujjar. Uh, Everybody on the set used to be, this guy is our favorite character, and we're glad that you're doing it. And we were shooting in Greater Noida, and whenever I would go out, and I would wear a jacket which says DJ Gujjar #1 on it, and उस एरिया से ऐसे जीपों में ट्रकों में भर भर के लोग आते थे देखने कि करण जो है वो डीजे गुजर बना हुआ है और there were so many people. After that, so many Instagram pages came up with all these Gujar fans, and the music of the it was just an amazing journey. I think my character is a very very nicely written character where he's loud but he's clean. In here he's clean. So it was a pleasure, and working in a film like Dolly Kitty or Chamkte Sitare, I think it's one of my most proud moments. So yep, very happy.
Okay, that's great. And now that cinemas are currently shut and everything is sort of on web, do you think web is the new ball game, and it's going to be there and continue to shine out in the future as well?
See, web is the new game, not just because of the pandemic, but it was poised to do so,
Yeah.
even before the pandemic. And I read something today somewhere where somebody had said that what IPL did to cricket is what OTT is going to do to cinema, which is a very if you think about it, it's a great thing that's happened, because opportunities will increase. People will get the chance to prove themselves, which you didn't used to do, which was not very easy for people initially. Not every producer or a financer or a studio would take newcomers or TV actors for that matter and make big budget films. Now big budget films are probably rating the same or probably even less than some of the bigger,
Less.
more popular shows on web. So this is a place where we can prove our mettle. So it's a great place for actors, definitely, I think. Yes.
Okay. And Yogita?
I totally agree with him. That the amount of work that is there right now has increased so much. There's so many things that are happening, and the genre are so different. Like there's so many things happening. It's just not TV shows and films, right? It's just, and now there's a middle ground between them, and and you can play so much there, and there's so much to do. So I'm glad.
I think the web, the OTT platforms are also going to be a leveling up sort of a place where the disparity between films and television will sort of balance itself, and the true talents will get more work, and it will not be just a hype, because it's very simple. If you're doing well, you will get good ratings and you will get more subscriptions. If you're not doing well, then you can't have crores and crores spent on you just to launch you and make you into a big star that entire country starts following. So I think now is the time where it's going to level up, and people are going to get more opportunities.
Yeah, because it's not a film. Like when you go to a film, you're like, okay, I've bought this ticket and I'll watch it. But if when you're watching something online, even if it's not interesting you in like the first 5 minutes, you'll just be like, no, I don't want to watch it. I'll watch something else.
True.
So
The
it's very
attention span is really less.
Attention span, but the content has to be that good.
Has to be true.
That you get that attention from people. And why would I give you my 30 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes if you're not good enough? So good that the content is also improving.
Okay. And with
why
a
would
lot
I give you 30
of
minutes if you're not good enough?
I won't even give you 2.
I won't even give you 2. You gotta be good enough. Go, girl, go.
So with the ongoing debate that the industry is sort of not welcoming enough when it comes to newcomers or outsiders, Yogita, you have also been a part of it. You have started your journey with it. Have you ever experienced anything of that sort?
I can talk for myself here, but I've always, of course, I believe that I'm a newcomer and I don't know people and I have to make my own place. So for me to make my own place there, it will take time. But there has been times where I've auditioned for a few roles, and they would just directly cast somebody else. But I've auditioned for it, but I don't know if the audition happened just because they wanted to just audition, or since you wanted to take somebody else and that's a known name. So why did the auditions happen? So, these kind of things had happened, but I get it. Like for somebody to trust me with one audition, it's tough. But I think if you keep working, if you keep doing what you want, there will be a time when people would know, okay, this girl has potential and she can do it. So I think that's how it works, and that's what I'm believing. Let's see.
Okay. And Karan, you have been around for so many years now, and you have tried every possible platform, be it web, TV, films, reality shows, everything. How has your journey been, and all these debates surrounding the entertainment industry? Have you ever felt something similar?
Of course we have. Yeah. It's not just a debate. It's right there. And thank you for bringing out that I have been a part of television. I have been a part of mainstream films. I have done smaller roles in beautiful films like Dolly. I have been part of reality television. I have been part of a show called a show like Gumrah, where we try to do something else. Do you still think that I am not slated big enough? 1921 made over 32 crores in its lifetime. Uh, where are the next films? Why am I not doing better and better films? Because it's right there. I have proven my mettle. None of my films have been flops, to be honest. But there are other people who flop पे flop दे रहे हैं, लेकिन उनको काम पे काम मिल रहा है. So I would say that my journey has been beautiful because I have lots of respect for people who come here and work really really hard. I am not somebody who's going to be like यार मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ या मेरे साथ वैसा हुआ. I'm very happy that I've proven my mettle and अब इसकी अलावा अगर कुछ मेरे साथ जबरदस्त, so that's a sad thing. And if people are trying to defend it, are they mad? It's happening. कितना कुछ हो रहा है आप लोगों के सामने है यार. So 12 years, man. 12 years we've been here, and it's been a beautiful industry. The people that I work with, the people that I work for, the fans that I work with. There's been so much love. I got mobbed in Egypt out of all the places. Can you imagine? That's the kind of love that we get. और ये जो है ना, ये मेहनत का प्यार है. ये मेरे बाप ने पैसे नहीं लगाए मेरे ऊपर. I'm sorry to say. So इस डिबेट पे तो जाते नहीं आगे, क्योंकि फिर हम तो है ही हैं. हम जो मुंह खोलेंगे तो बंद नहीं होंगे. लोगों के मुंह बंद हो जाएंगे. सिंपल सी बात.
Okay. And coming back to Dilhi to hai, there are a lot of fans waiting for it, and it's finally coming out tomorrow. What is the final feeling like for you two?
It's very exciting. Yeah, एक ना वो है कि हाँ मतलब it's a story that we finished, and it was quite a struggle to finish the season, and finally
it took us a year.
Over.
It took us a year.
A little less than a year. We started in November.
Almost a year, like 8 months or 9 months.
True, absolutely true. So it's exciting. It's a feeling of relief कि ये season खत्म हुआ है, and इसके बाद देखते हैं क्या होता है. What horizons are we looking at? And for the fans who love the show all over the world, I think we are very excited to give it to them, because हर live में, हर interview में, हर जगह वो पूछते क्या होगा. Finally in less than 24 hours they'll see, and I hope they're
I'm
not
just glad I'm on the other side. I'm not on that side. Just imagine, like, you love this show so much, and you're waiting for past 6-7 months, and especially in lockdown, what is going to happen? When will they start shooting? When will the lockdown, open, and when will they start shooting? When will they get to edit the episodes? When will they dub them? When will it finally come on air? So it's just, I'm just happy that I'm on this side, because I also love my show. I'm a really big fan of Dilhi To Hai.
I'm also a big fan of my show.
So it's just, sweet. I'm just, I don't even tell it to my family also. They would always ask me कि क्या होने वाला है. Though in their head they'll be like, तुम दोनों साथ में गए. I'm like, I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता, कुछ भी हो सकता है. They're like, हाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है. तुम लोग अलग हो जाते हो.
कोई भरोसा नहीं है, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much for being a part of this. It was great chatting with you too.
Thank you so much, Rashita, for having us. Thank you. You've made our day today. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Bye-bye. All the very best.
Bye. Thank you.